Welcome to Mechanic Diesel 35th week part 4 Resistive Sensor. In resistive sensor, the variation in resistance happens due to change in input data like position, temperature, pressure, etc. Input to the control unit is not necessarily the resistance but can be the voltage also. Types of resistive sensor. Rheostat. Generally two-wire sensor, change in resistance happens due to change in mechanical position. Value of resistance or voltage is interpreted by ECU for calculation. Measurement of value happens inside the control unit. Potentiometer, generally 3-wire sensor. Change in resistance happens due to change in mechanical position. Value of voltage is interpreted by ECU for calculation. Piezo resistive sensor. Piezo resistive sensors are those whose resistance changes tied due to change in pressure. They are subjected to external pressure which causes change in resistance. Piezoelectric sensor. Certain crystals such as quartz, when subjected to a pressure, generate potential difference on its surface. The phenomena is reversible. Magnetic inductive sensor. This kind of sensor consists of coil wood around the permanent magnet. When the magnetic field is disturbed by external means, current is generated inside the coil terminals. Hall effect sensor. When a current passes through the semiconductor plate, there is no current developed at right angles to the direction of current. However, when this plate is subjected to a magnetic field, voltage is developed at right angles to the direction of current. Hot film air mass meter. Hot film air mass meter. This sensor is used to measure the airflow in engine management system. It consists of measuring tube and sensor electronic with sensor element. Lambda sensor. This sensor is normally used in petrol engine to decide the oxygen content in exhaust gas. Based on the input from this sensor, the ECU do minor correction to the amount of fuel being metered. Sensors and actuators. In connection with OBD second lambda sensor is connected after catalytic converter. It tests correct functioning of the catalytic converter. Actuators. First, injectors. Number 2, power windows. Number 3, wiper motors. Number 4, relays, etc. Number of actuators depend upon the device to be operated. Relay. A relay is an electrically operated switch. Many relays use an electromagnetic to operate a switching mechanism mechanically, but other operating principles are also used. Number 1, control circuit. Control the operation which are activated by control unit or switch. It requires very less power to activate. Number 2, power circuit. Connected to the load, main current flows through this circuit as shown in figure. Solenoid. A solenoid is an electromechanical switch valve that is controlled by an electric current. The electric current runs through a solenoid, which is a wire coil wrapped around a metallic core. A solenoid creates a controlled magnetic field when an electrical current is passed through it. Stepper motor. Stepper motor provides a means for precise positioning and speed control without the use of feedback sensors. The basic operation of a stepper motor allows the shaft to move a precise number of degrees each time a pulse electricity is sent to the motor. Thank you.